Okay, so I'm actually super excited for tonight's project because it deals with my internet, something that has been running slower than it should be for quite some time. Now I'm pretty sure it's because we have this old ancient router modem combo that Comcast had given us, I can't even tell you how many years ago. But this is the Xfinity, as you see at the very bottom, the XB3. It's the dual band system. So you can see the 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz networks, and also 2 telephone ports for the Comcast voice. So if you are like us and you are living in the Stone Age and you still have dedicated landline, then you're going to want to also, if you're upgrading, you can buy another kind like this, a router modem combo, and just make sure you have the voice option. If not, if you're like us, what I'm going to do is get a separate modem and a separate router. So if one ends up becoming outdated, it's a lot easier to just switch out one device. The router is going to be pretty much future-proof, at least for like the next 5 years. So you're going to need a couple things for this. You're going to need, first off, a computer, because when you go to activate the modem through someone like Xfinity, you're going to need to temporarily hook that modem up to your computer. And after that, you will need... oh, yeah, you need 2 open electrical outlets. With this one here, since it's a router modem combo, I only need 1. But because now I'm going to have 2 separate ones, I'm going to need 2 separate outlets, which I will have to free up in a few minutes. So besides 2 outlets, you need a computer, you need a router, and you need a modem. That was fast. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get to work on freeing everything up, and then I'll be unboxing these, and I will be showing you pretty much step by step how to go ahead and activate it and swap out your old Comcast piece of junk for more newer age stuff.